Brian. This is Demos in the Dark, and tonight we have another Circuit Underground. Circuit Underground is where I focus on some of the more obscure, lesser-known builders from around the world. If that's something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell notification so you can get notifications. We do something every week here. We do builders big and small. We do mostly pedals. We do some amps. Just musical stuff every week. So tonight for Circuit Underground, we have one from Tonetuga FX. This is the Songbird. It's an overdrive that doesn't mess with your guitar and amp sound too much. It can go from a nice pleasant, drive to a full blown out one. It's looks amazing. If you're familiar with this channel, you are familiar with Tonetuga FX because he was one of the first to send me something back when I was just starting out. And I believe I have done everything that he has put out since. This one's a treat. So let's get rolling on it. All right, so I have a Gibson Custom Shop ES339, and I am running into a Dr. Z Carmen Gia. Let's take a look at these controls. We have volume, we have tone, and we have a gain. Pretty familiar set of controls there. Tough to go wrong with 3 knobs, if you ask me. So, first thing we'll do is we'll boost the amp with some volume, keep the gain pretty low, see what it does there. So here's the unaffected sound of the guitar and amplifier. And away we go. Let's boost that amp. All right, so now let's bring that gain up to about noon, and then we'll take it over the edge. So there you have it. The Songbird does what it says it does. It goes from a nice low gain to a pretty ripping one at the turn of a dial. Full tone range. Tough to complain.